Hello there! Today, we would learn how to use sounds and a combination of sounds to spell and pronounce words. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to produce the vowel sound correctly, pronounce words correctly, and use a combination of sounds to produce words. Now, let's begin. There are 5 major vowels in the English language, and they are A, E, I, O, U. It is pronounced as A, E, O, Now, we are going to learn how to pronounce these vowels properly. Now repeat after me. A, E, O. Now, let's sound the vowels again. A, E, O. Wow! Good job! Now, for this lesson, we would focus on the vowel A. With the vowel A, we have both the long A sound and the short A vowel sound. The short A sound is pronounced as A. We have words like bag, cat, mat, map, cap, man. All these words have the short A sound. Now, let's pronounce these words correctly. Bag, cat, mat, map, cap, man. That was great! The long A sound is pronounced as A. We have words like 8, play, Monday, rain, snail, face. Pronounce these words after me. 8, play, Monday, rain, snail, face. Good job! Now, we have come to the end of today's lesson. Today, we learned about the 5 major vowels and their sounds. We also learned about the vowel A and its sound. Now, it's assessment time. See you in the next lesson.